Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. Market direction still in a slow upward direction. However, with today's selling, that was kind of consolidation. Notice that the Dow, even though it traded down 90 points, was still trading very indecisively. We're still above the T line, which makes it very easy for the candlestick investor when analyzing both market directions, meaning both indexes. We can see that the hanging man in the NASDAQ on Friday with a lower open told us there was going to be some profit taking. Now, how do we know this is profit taking versus a full scale reversal? Knowing the nature of today's signal. It's kind of a doji day. So as long as we're above the T line, we're still in an uptrend. Now, we're going to be adding a strong feature to our website or our chat rooms, Candlestick Logic, which is if we know that a sector that has been illustrated by Tesla in a strong upward direction has put the limelight in the electric vehicles area. This also illustrates too that there's a lot of sub-industries that are supporting the electric vehicles. So as we can see today, after the gap up, which is a logical time to start taking profits in Tesla, it's probably consolidating. But the important factor about the Tesla chart is that it's been going up for over a year, up 600%, which puts a lot of the other electric vehicle stocks in the limelight also. NIO, which is trying to be the Tesla of China. The important factor is right now there's about 47 to 50 companies out there directly related to electric vehicle manufacturing. The problem is technology is moving so fast that you've got to keep track of which ones are working well because of their innovations in technology. One company's new technology might make 3 other companies obsolete. The advantage we have with candlestick analysis is a process we're calling RARE, R-A-R-E, which is research analysis, reverse engineering. That if we can see a sector or a stock that's moving very well, we may not know why it is, but it allows us, even on a short-term basis, as well as a long-term investor, to go back and see what the news was that created that new price movement. And again, oops, this thing is slow. Whenever we start seeing patterns, especially at high probability levels, we can go after those with a much greater probability we're in the right place at the right time. Or anything associated with the electric vehicle industry, like Blink, doing a J-hook pattern today, providing us with the visuals that we're going to go into the next wave, another profitable trade. Also, want to remind everybody that one of the biggest problems that most investors have is when to take profits. We are going to be doing a training session on this coming weekend, showing where it's time to take profits and where it's time to get back into a trade. So we can identify by some very simple techniques using candlestick analysis of when the profit taking is likely to come into play. This Saturday, January 16th, we're going to be doing a full day training, 4 hours of where the simple techniques that tell us where the high probability aspects are of candlestick analysis to tell us when to take profits. And that will involve techniques like moving to your 10-minute chart and getting out at the high end of the range so that we can see when the selling is going to occur and where the next likely target will be, allowing us to maybe re-enter the trade at the appropriate time. So join us this Saturday for a comprehensive training on the techniques. There's about 6 major techniques that we can use to tell us when it's time to take profits. So the T-line rule tells us simply that as long as we're staying above the T-line, we're still in an uptrend. So with that, everybody have a good trading session. We will see you in the chat rooms.